Instruction about the internet searches. You can select your favorite browser just by clicking on the button. Shift click will open the browser. For instance, Shift Chrome or Shift Edge will open Edge or Chrome or Firefox or the Internet Explorer. We'll do a search for Service Book 2. We'll use the Google Shop. Click on search. And now you will see the results of the Microsoft Service Book 2 on the internet. Close the browser and do another search. For instance, the Marathon Man, and we'll use MDB and a special search engine, a custom Google search engine, a CSE, as you can see here. Now, even when you're not a member of the EMDB database, you can search for anything in that database. And this is absolutely legal. But it's a handy thing for you to search if you are a movie enthusiast. Click and close your browser. A final search will be for Aaron Swartz, the child of the internet. Click on one of the large buttons, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and you do an immediate search based on your data, Aaron Swartz. The same with Bing and the same with Yahoo. You can fine-tune your search using a file type. For instance, if you're looking for PDFs about Aaron Swartz, and this will work with Bing and Yahoo as well. Just click on Bing, click on Yahoo, and you will do exactly the same searches, but sometimes with very different results depending on the database. You can also search using various options of Twitter directly from the menu. And here you see the results searching on Twitter for Aaron Swartz. Close the browser. You can do the same on Facebook. And select the options you want. And you can also use LinkedIn to search on LinkedIn directly from Windows.com 10. And you will see, if you do a lot of searches on the internet, this will save you a lot of time, of course. And finally, we do a search on YouTube, and it's an absolutely must-see movie about this extremely intelligent young boy, the internet's own boy, Aaron Swartz. A must-see. Another thing is that we can use groups. For instance, we can use the group social media. All the engines with this as a category or description will be executed by clicking just on the group button. Here you see the search engines, and all the search engines with the category social media will be executed searching for a certain verb. In this case, we'll search for Trump. Just click on group. And now a multiple search will be executed in one instance. If you have Edge browser, you can preview the thumbs on the top of your screen, and here you see the different pages with the different results on Twitter, on YouTube, etc., etc. You can make your own groups, of course, and use it over and over again, searching for the same phrase on different engines with just one click of your mouse. In this case, social media, looking for the word Trump. The same thing can be used using the button fake news. This is a special group, and you can make your own group. We have a lot of search engines grouped together with the category name fake news checker. And when you click on fake news, all the engines will be used in one search. You can see here WikiLeaks. Next we'll show you how to use the Advanced Search panel. Open by clicking on Advanced Search, and you can save your searches in the database. Here we have a saved search for the Apple and Google domains. We use the advanced parameters, for instance site. Select site, click on insert and add the wildcard.apple.com to search for all the subdomains of Apple without www and news. Now there's no need to use any time issues here, so we will delete the time parameter and we'll use the Google search engine. Click on search and immediately the browser will open and you will see the searches for the subdomains of Apple. Close it again and we do the same for Google. Site wildcard.google.com without www and news. When you click on search, you will see here all results for all the subdomains of Google. We can do also multiple searches by setting a filter on a category, for instance subdomains. Select and execute selected, and now two queries will be executed, one for the subdomains of Apple and one for the subdomains of Google, in one click of a button. Now we're going to compare trends using Google Trends. For instance, how many searches were there for cocaine and ecstasy in the Netherlands. You have to configure the engine of Google Trends in the configuration menu. You select here parameter 2 for the location Netherlands, and we will show you how to set it up. Go to search engines and you will see the URL used in the trends search. Parameter 2 is the location, parameter 1 is the search data, in this case cocaine and ecstasy, and the advanced options are with parameters. Save the engine, go back to the internet, and here you will see when we click on search that the Google Trends engine will search and compare in the Netherlands for the searches on cocaine and ecstasy over time. In this case the past 12 months, but you can select other time frames, and when you scroll down you can go to the map of the Netherlands, and by moving your mouse around you will see over the different provinces the different percentages of the searches for cocaine and ecstasy